Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how you export stems in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. If you do not already have it guys, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of the application where we can get started with recording ourselves. So guys, the first thing you want to do is select, if you want to go and select a live loop right here in the upper left corner. If you want, you can use an EDM loop, hip hop and so on, or if you want to record the track yourself. So guys, here you can now get started recording yourself. You have your keyboards, your drums, you can even go ahead and plug in a guitar that you want to use and so on. You can see you have a lot of options, or you can use the audio recorder. So let's go ahead and open up the recorder right here. That's going to open up this new page where we can get started recording ourselves. And guys, basically to get started recording, you want to use the big red circle right here at the top of the screen. That's going to start the recording process, and you can now get started with adding all your effects. So guys, once you have gotten your effects, your stems and so on, all the info that you need regarding your track, and you have adjusted your sliders, the plugins, equalizer and so on, we can get started exporting. So guys, to export your stems, this is what you have to do. Go into the upper left corner right here and click on this arrow that is pointing downwards. After clicking on the arrow, you can go and select clean or the songs depending on what you want to export. I'm going to export the whole track. You can just export your vocals if you want, and it's going to save you all of your projects right here that you can take a look at. So here are my projects guys, and this is my project, and basically what you want to do is go ahead and long hold it, tap on it and long hold. That's going to open up this new menu right here, and one of the options is going to be called share. So click on share guys, and now as you can see, you can export it as a ringtone project or a song. If you click on song, it's going to enable you to select the quality that you want to use, and after that just click on share, and then you can go ahead and share it to somebody. You can save it to your files and so on, and that's how you can save your song. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.